start your PyCharm ID and create a new file. Call it variable scope. So in Python we have global and local variables. Global variables are found in the main code, while local variables are found in the function. So let's create a global variable. We can name it Galaxy and give it a value of Milky Way. Let's define a function. We can call it solar system. So we can print Galaxy. Then we can call the function. So in our code, we can print a global variable in the main code. And also print the global variable within a function. Let's try this and see. So you can see we have Milky Way twice. So the first print statement prints the global variable, and the second print statement within the function solar system also prints the global variable. Let's induce some local variables in the solar system function. Local variables. In the local scope, we can add things like star, value can set to sun. Then we have habitable, planet, can say earth, largest planet, can say Jupiter, smallest planet, Mercury. So we can print the local variables. Print star, print habitable planet, print largest planet, print smallest planet. Let's run the code and see. So if you run the code, it will begin by executing the first print statement, and it will display Milky Way, the global variable. It will, when you call the solar system function, it will begin by printing the galaxy, which is Milky Way. Then it will read the local variables and print them. It will begin with the star, which is the sun, habitable planet Earth, largest planet Jupiter, then lastly the smallest planet, which is Mercury. So these are local variables. Local variables cannot be accessed in the main code. Let's try to call local variables within the main code. Let's say print star. Print table learnet print largest learnet. Lastly, print smallest learnet. As you can see, our PyCharm ID has already highlighted these print statements because they are invalid. We cannot call local variables from the main function. If we run this, we get an error. You see, star is not defined. You see, it will claim these variables are not defined because they are found. They are local variables in the solar system function. But what if we create other variables? What if we create similar variables in the main code? Let's say no global variables. Let's say star blue star habitable learnet. You can say learnet x largest learnet. You can say super Jupyter smallest learnet. We can say small Mercury. So as you can see, habitable. When we add more global variables, the errors in the print statements will disappear because the print statements will give the variables, will print the global variables in the global scope. So let's run the code and see. Now it works fine. We begin by printing the galaxy, which is Milky Way. As you can see, it will print the galaxy, the global variable galaxy, which is Milky Way. Then it will come to the local variable, the star, which is the sun. Then habitable planet Earth, largest planet Jupiter, smallest planet Mercury, as you can see. Then when we move outside the function, it will print star, blue star, habitable planet, planet X, largest planet Super Jupiter, and smallest planet small Mercury. So in In our code will work fine then if we remove these local variables. Let's say we remove this, run the code again. Since we don't have any local variables, it will print the print statements will print the global variables. As you can see, blue star, planet X, super Jupiter, small Mercury, and blue star. The same will happen to the print statements in the main code.